purchased a new Kohinoor set. Soft pastels, 48 of them. We are going to open these. So let's got a little ding up there, but I don't think that'll be matter. There we go. All right. There we go. Oops. Does actually go the other way. Okay. It's just weird unboxing there. Okay, that's from me. That's when because I turned it over, so that's my fault. Other than that, everything seems to be in pretty good order. Let's just kind of put some things back in here. Okay. Well, there we go. Nice selection of colors. They're pretty bright. Pretty vivid colors. This looks like it would be like your basic set of 2, 4, 6, 8. Yeah, if you ordered 12, that's probably how it comes. And then these are the extras of whatever you might order. Let's see here. Let's just take this one out. Rub a little bit. Already getting some. So there's, a little bit of a coating, but already starting to make marks. That's pretty nice. Feels typical. Typical pastel will probably lay down more once we, give it just a little bit of a sanding. And we'll pull each one out here and let you look at. Bring those up a little. All right. It's a pretty good looking set. Just cardboard, simple foam. You know how it is, once you start using them, you don't really put them back anyway, you just kind of throw them into a box. So, not bad, not bad. They're definitely softer. You can feel it when you take them out. They feel like they're going to be bit softer. You know, certainly similar to some harder pastels I've used, but look at that, even already coming off. So hopefully there won't be a whole lot of coating on these. I think there's going to be a little bit, but seems like it's really just a lot of pigment. I've had pretty good luck with Koh-i-Noor in the past, so that's why I went with them. Let's grab this green. I'm curious about that. Look at that. It's a good looking green. I like that. It's interesting. Put black under it here so you can. We're going to do a demo next. I'm going to make a goldfish. I'll only utilize a few of the colors, but it'll be something we're familiar with on familiar paper, and so we'll see how they perform. And that'll be a separate video, so tune in.